Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about a topic that might just change the way that you think about drawing, and that is that anyone can learn how to draw, including you. So you may think that you're not very talented or that you can never draw like all those amazing people around you, but I want to challenge that and say that with time, dedication and patience, you probably could. So you may know some people who are just super creative, have this really amazing artistic talent, everything that they touch turns into a masterpiece, and that's really cool. But the thing about talent is that even the really talented person had to start from somewhere. When they were really young, most likely they weren't creating the masterpieces that they're creating now. Even they had to go through a process of learning, refining their skills and developing to reach the point that they're at now. But the thing about talent is that they're probably able to pick up those things a lot quicker than someone without that natural ability. But that doesn't mean that someone without that natural talent over time can't learn how to do exactly the same thing. Drawing is a skill. Just like tying your shoelaces, there are principles within drawing that can be learnt, kind of like a curriculum at university or something. And it's very possible to learn how to do these skills, but it just might take some time and some practice. You may have watched some of those YouTube videos where an artist is taking you through their portfolio from day one to present day, and you can physically see how their skill has progressed and developed over time with consistency and with dedication to their craft. So regardless of if you have a natural ability or not, if you put in the hard work and you have some patience, you will learn how to draw. And over time, you will learn how to draw well. So if you are interested in learning how to draw, here are some of my top tips. Practice consistently. So set a dedicated time in your day or in your week where you know that you will show up and you will put in some art practice. Number 2, watch art YouTube videos like this one, so you can learn for free artistic skills and things that different artists are sharing. Go to art classes or courses, and this is something that I really want to do, hopefully soon. I think it would be really cool to just get that, instant feedback, that face-to-face feedback from a tutor. I think that'd be very helpful. Read art books and articles. There are so many art, drawing, creative books that you could read and learn from, and I will dive deeper into this in another video, but that's such a helpful resource. And then number 5, visit art galleries or museums just for some real life inspiration. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are on an art journey, I advise you to just keep going, keep putting the work in, and eventually you will reach the skill level you want to be at. So yeah, I'll see you next time.